Hello to everyone. In this video I am gonna show you how to install VoTT image annotator. Okay, let's get started. I know that it's already in GitHub, so I will search this one. I go to GitHub page of VoTT image annotator. So here you can get acquainted with the tool, see approximately how you can use it. I will have another video about how to use VoTT image annotator to annotate images. Okay, let's go back and click on releases. Here you can see the last release. This is the web version of the release, but in the web version you cannot use files in your own computer, so that's why I will download the version for the desktop. In the desktop version you can actually use the images in your computer. I am now using Mac, that's why I will download this DMG file. If you are using Windows, you can download this file, and this is for Linux. Okay, let's go to downloads and download. Okay, it was downloaded. Now I will install it. So I will find it in the applications. Okay. So this is the application. I was able to run it, and in the next video I will show you how to use it to annotate images.